Before I delve into that, no, dun sa mismong technicals ng paano ka nag-grow inside that company o
Mm.
as an IT support, saan mo nakuha yung courage mo to transition from a different industry to your new industry now? Kasi syempre, 4 years ka nag-aral, tapos syempre years ka din nag-stay dun sa Mascom company, I'm assuming, no? So, there's a lot of investment dun na sa industry, dun sa Mascom. So, saan mo nakuha yung
Totoo naman.
courage? Di ba? Kasi maraming taong takot mag-shift kasi syempre, brand new environment, brand new skill, hindi nila alam, very unknown territory. So, for you, saan mo kinuha yung tapang mo, 'di ba? Kasi new set of people 'yun eh. Yung mga kaibigan mo ng Masco, for sure, nagtatrabaho kayo sa mga same company, same mga kilalang companies ng Masco. And
Totoo
then,
naman.
bagong set of friends na 'yan kasi syempre bagong industry. So for you, saan mo kinuha yung courage na 'yun? Like, out of all the people na gustong
Mm.
mag-transition, bakit ikaw parang you decided on your own, kaya ko to kahit bata pa ako.
Mm. Mm.
Ganun.
Ah, ako kasi siguro, well, at first, oo, natakot din ako kasi syempre, number one, another factor I had to consider was, syempre, bababa yung market value, I would say. Kasi syempre, yung
Mm.
isa, like what you said, no, you took time already dun sa previous job mo. Kahit sabihin natin, I was already 2 years, a year and a half, or I mean, more than a year and a half or 2 years na. Syempre,
Oo.
nag-increase na rin yung ano mo, you were earning, siguro sabi malaki, pero you were earning better than the
Mm.
average na. Kasi di ba, hindi ka na fresh grad nun eh. Tapos
Oo.
ito, babalik ka na naman sa pagiging junior mo in a way. Kasi,
Oo.
syempre, kahit IT pa yon di ba?
Mm.
Siguro, I just looked at the benefits long term. Kasi
Mm.
nakita ko ang IT nun was growing industry. Although right now, hindi masyado ng growing, I can say, di ba? Or yes, we can say it's still growing. Pero long term kasi, let's say for example, ang IT kasi is ano we can say that kahit na, I'm looking for a better term, kahit sabihin natin tumatagal ka,
Mm.
tumataas pa rin eh. Basta you upgrade your knowledge. Eh sabi ko naman, siguro ito, basta't aral ka ng aral, tataas naman yung value mo eh. So sige, okay lang. Hindi naman
Mm.
siguro masama, makakabawi ka naman long term eh. So kahit bumagsak yung value mo, pwede naman mag-bounce ulit pataas, parang stocks lang kumbaga.
Mm.
Pwede naman umakyat ulit. So that's one thing I considered. Number two, inisip ko na naman na um, hindi naman ako manghihinayang siguro sa shift kasi I think I'll be happy here din naman. So
Mm.
wala ring problema. So even though I'll transition from support to software develop in the software development field, hindi naman siguro masama, hindi naman siguro makakasama din. It will be okay lang din naman siguro. It will not be bad. So even though you transition from any area in the IT field naman, let's say kahit galing kang Mascom din, hindi rin masama siguro. Or hindi naman siguro dapat paghinayangan ng loob or matakot din in a way. That's fun. It's also another
Mm.
factor pala to consider. Yeah. The long-term
Mm.
effects, basically, yung
Long term.
kailangan mo tandaan. Mm-mm. Yeah.
Oo. 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 So medyo ano ka, nag delayed gratification ka, hindi mo hinabol agad yung malaking sahod. Kumbaga, okay lang sa'yo
Mm,
magtiis
mm.
muna.
Mm,
That's
pero
really good.
syempre
That's very
gutom talaga.
important.
Pero yun nga lang ang masaklap, gutom talaga muna. Pero syempre sabi nga nila, hindi naman pwedeng, wala namang one day millionaire eh. At least manalo ka
Tama.
sa loto.
Oo. Oo. So, kumbaga, para makuha mo yung gusto mo, may kapalit, may compromise.
Mm.
Oo. So, that's really good, no? Very, very important yun, lalo na sa mga first-time viewers natin na, ah, lalo na kung
Mahilig sa madali.
oo, mahilig sa madali. Kasi ngayon, di ba, social media, download mo yung apps, Food Panda, ganyan, no? Parang ang bilis na lahat. Di ba? Di nila alam na success or yung goals mo require sacrifice pa rin. So, that's really, really important, no? It doesn't just, parang nag-a-apply sa career. Parang nag-a-apply din siya in life in general. So, that's really good, no? So, yung courage mo basically na ini-imagine mo lang long term yung effects basically.
Mm.
That's really good. Okay. So,